Success mantra. Risk-taking ability coupled with passion for teaching has helped Madhu Chitkara create her own brand in the field of education. She started her career as a school teacher and has gone on to create an educational conglomerate, Chitkara. Risk-taking ability. Opportunity knocks once. If you don't take the risk, you would not be able to transform it into success. World history shows that only those who took up challenges became successful. If you want to grow, be prepared to tread the unknown path, but ensure that you have done your homework well.